To add plastic snaps to any project, make sure that you have a male end, a female end, and then the snaps for the other side. If you are interested in checking out the set that I'm using in this tutorial, I will have that linked in the description below for you. So the first step in adding your plastic snaps is actually adding a hole through your fabric before you add your plastic snaps. So this particular tool set came with this nice pointy, I don't even know what it's called, object, and I use it to just push on through my layers. That way I'm able to add my snap easily. Here I am adding a hole to the top and the bottom of the wallet for the snaps. Then you'll take the button end and push that plastic point through the hole you've just created. Then you can add a female or male end onto the end of that. Then just slide it into your nice little clamp. The button end will sit towards the black part of your clamp and it'll just slide in so nicely. Then you'll just clamp it together and your plastic bits will secure. And then you'll do the same thing on the other side. You will make sure that you have put the hole in your fabric already, and then you'll push that back button piece on through. Make sure that the other end of your snap is slid on nicely, and then you can just slide that piece through your clamp. Another nice thing about this plastic snap clamp is that I find I don't have to push as hard with my hand, and it will secure your snap in place. And this is what your snaps will look like when they're done. Please use my links in the description down below if you are going to make a purchase. I very much appreciate your support, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. I'm also going to have a few links in the description down below, and I will add to those links as time goes on, because I am going to start adding more snaps to my different beginner projects that I think you are going to really enjoy. All right, I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.